Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the video. Today's video is about an Olympic set of coins. They're the Olympic coins that were issued on the run-in to the Vancouver Winter Olympics in 2010, I think it was, the actual Olympics. This first coin is a $1 coin. It shows homage to the Queen on this side. Now all the portraits will be the same portrait, so I'll only show you the reverses on the rest of the coins. This one here has a loon bird, or loony bird. It also has a year and the maple leaf and the Olympic symbol. There's also the name of the country. There are two versions of this. There is a silver colour version which has a vintage of 30,000, and there's a bronze colour version which has a vintage of 11 million. The second Olympic $1 coin has the Vancouver rings, or the Olympic rings, Vancouver name, the value, the year and the country name. This has a mintage of 10 million and was minted in 2010. The first one with the loony birds were minted in 2008. The next, on the rest of the coins in this set, and there's a set of I think 17 or 18 coins in total, are all 25-cent coins. The first one is from 2008, and shows a ski jumper. It has, on this side, it also has the Vancouver 2010 logos and the maple leaf. The mintage for this 2008 coin is 22 million. The second coin is a Paralympic Winter Olympic coin. You have the wheelchair curling from Vancouver 2010 marked also on this coin. The mintage of this 2007 coin is 22,400,000. That's 22,400,000. The next coin is from 2010 and shows a cross-country skier. The mintage for this 2010 coin is 22 million. Sorry, it's 22,400,000. That's the Alpine downhill. This next one is an Alpine cross-country skier. This is a 2007 coin as well. The cross-country skier, the one before, the one before was 2007, the downhill skier. The Olympic cross-country skier, which is this one from 2010, has a mintage of 22 million. The next coin that was part of this series was actually made to celebrate the men's hockey team, ice hockey team, winning the World Cup or the World Championship, which was in 2002. The mintage for this coin was 19 million. It was released as part of this series, even though it celebrates something that happened 8 years before. The next coin is from 2007 and shows the men's hockey team, or men's hockey. The mintage for this 2007 coin is 22 million. Oops, sorry. Sorry about that. The next coin is women's curling. This coin was issued in 2007 and has a vintage of 22 million. The next coin is the bobsleigh coin. Again, it has the Vancouver 2010 information written on it, and it has a mintage of 22 million. This next coin shows a male racing skater. This coin was minted in 2009 and has a mintage of 22 million. The next coin commemorates a lady called Cindy Klasse, or Klasse. That's Klasse. She won 5 Olympic medals. This 2009 coin has a mintage of 19 million. This next coin is a snowboarder. The year of issue is 2008 and the mintage is 22 million. This one is another coin minted in 2009, which is a commemorative for the women's hockey team from 2002. They won the Winter Olympics in 2002. The mintage for this 2009 coin is 19 million. So just 2 more coins to go in this series. And the next one is, there you go, ice dance or figure skating. Again, it's from Vancouver 2010. Set, it is a coin minted in the year 2008, and it has a mintage of 22 million. And the final coin in this series is a cross-country, like a cross-country pentathlon type thing. You have to have shooting at various points throughout the cross-country course. And this coin was issued in 2007 and it has a mintage of 22 million. The Vancouver Olympics, which were held in 2010, had 2,566 athletes taking part in 82 teams over 86 events. It was the 21st Winter Olympic Games. So that ends this particular showing this set off. If you've enjoyed this, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. And also, if you've not yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I'm trying to get to 250 subs by New Year's Eve 2023. That was the target I set myself at the beginning of the year, and I'm well on course, being somewhere in the region of about 219 subscribers at this moment in time, and we're in mid-September when I record this. So, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can buy the coins for the price that you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, thank you for watching to the end, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.